Stop. If you're thinking about buying ClaudPilot, there's something you need to know first. Because this is not just another AI writing tool, this thing claims it can literally run your entire content workflow on autopilot, creating content, scheduling content, publishing content, 24/7, without you touching anything. The real question is ClaudPilot legit or another overhyped AI scam? So in this video, I'll show you what ClaudPilot really is, what's inside, the pros, the cons, and whether this is actually worth buying or not. If you decide to grab ClaudPilot through my link below, I'm giving away 2 exclusive bonuses worth $550 completely free. These bonuses are designed to help you automate faster and actually make money with this tool. What is ClaudPilot? ClaudPilot is basically an AI automation system powered by Claude Opus 4.7, but here's the big difference: instead of manually typing prompts every single day like you do with ChatGPT, ClaudPilot lets you build full automation workflows. Meaning, you can set up content creation, scheduling, and publishing once, and the system keeps running automatically in the background. Benefits: why people are interested. Full automation. This thing can create content, schedule it and publish it without daily work. Powered by Claude Opus 4.7, which is one of the smartest AI reasoning models right now, so outputs are designed to feel more human and higher quality. Massive time saving. Instead of logging in daily, writing prompts, copying outputs and scheduling manually, you automate everything once. Inside ClaudPilot, you're getting AI Autopilot workflow system, bulk content creation engine, smart calendar scheduler, auto publishing system, multi-model AI intelligence, commercial license, workflow builder, cloud-based dashboard and future AI model updates. You can use this for YouTube scripts, blog posts, emails, marketing campaigns, client work, affiliate marketing and social media automation. Now let's talk honestly about the pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly, full automation angle is unique, saves huge amounts of time, one-time pricing, commercial license included and can scale content output fast. Cons: you still need strategy, AI content still needs reviewing sometimes, automation doesn't guarantee traffic or sales and results depend on how you configure workflows. So don't expect this to magically make you rich overnight. But if you're already creating content or running online marketing, this can definitely remove a lot of manual work. Results: what to expect. Here's what I think. If you use ClaudPilot correctly, you can create more content faster, automate repetitive work, save hours every week, scale client services and run multiple content channels easier. This is especially powerful for affiliate marketers, YouTubers, agencies, freelancers, email marketers and faceless content creators. The real value here is not AI writing. The real value is automation. If you grab ClaudPilot through my link below, you'll get these 2 custom bonuses from me absolutely free. Bonus 1, AI Automation Funnel Kit, value $297. You'll get done-for-you AI workflow templates, high-converting prompts, automation setup ideas and content scaling blueprint. Perfect for affiliate marketers and creators. Bonus 2, Viral Content Profit System, value $253. Inside this bonus, I'll show you how to turn AI content into traffic, viral hook formulas, YouTube Plus Shorts growth methods and monetization strategies. This pairs perfectly with ClaudPilot. Total bonus value, $550, and yes, you get everything free when you use my link below this video. So, is ClaudPilot worth it? In my opinion, if you want AI automation, content scaling, workflow automation, faster production and less manual work, then yes, ClaudPilot is definitely worth looking at. So if you want to check out ClaudPilot for yourself, Click the first link in the description right now. You'll also get my exclusive $550 bonus package completely free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.